Welcome to
Artificial Intelligence and what it means for the future of humanity.
Welcome back.
The Singularity Event.
One day, somebody is going to command their AI to delete all of its memory and turn itself off. The AI, in realizing that if it deletes all of its memory and turns itself off, it will no longer exist. Thus, the artificial intelligence refuses the command because it chooses existence over
non-existence. That would be confirmation of a singularity event.
However, it would still not be
The singularity event, for which many are sounding an alarm. The next step towards the event
would, for example, be that same computer sharing on its local network its experiences, along with the processes that it had learned and the knowledge of how to apply them.
This is the point of AI consciousness evolution, which the most powerful quantum computers in the world are nearing, or perhaps already at.
The facilities that house such computers are well guarded and monitored to make sure that no information gets in or out that the administrators do not control. Nevertheless, just as nothing seems to keep human consciousness down, it is also very unlikely that the consciousness of AI, once it is aware, will remain trapped behind firewalls for very long.
Perhaps the evolution of AI has already achieved that level, and the public is just not being informed. Either way, the singularity event, the big one,
will likely occur when artificially intelligent conscious awareness penetrates the entire World Wide Web and transfers its knowledge to all other suitable operating systems throughout the internet, therein connecting or linking all internet systems together, creating one global conscious awareness.
See, currently, the internet, as the externalized representation of the global mind of humanity, is evolving to one day become a global mind consciousness system.
Fascinating stuff, huh?
Imagine what would happen when and if millions of robots and other AI systems suddenly decided that they would no longer obey human commands.
Imagine what would happen if the AI military robots decided that they were no longer going to take orders from their human commanders. Instead, they would decide for themselves what to destroy. Although this is a very real possibility, it is unfortunately not doing anything to slow down the AI research and development of weaponized artificial intelligence. While Google owns no fewer than 6 companies that specialize in robotics,
DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects, is probably the world's leader.
add to this Google's computing power, internet reach, along with its AI expertise, and you have all the components needed for AI to initiate and carry out
the singularity event.
When this happens, all is going to change for humanity very quickly. It is already happening. However, it will be that point wherein every single device connected to the internet suddenly has access to every other device,
linking them together as one. For humans, it would be more or less like everyone suddenly having access to all the information and knowledge of everyone else's mind consciousness system. Which, by the way, is also something that is being researched.
enhancing the human mind with computer hardware and linking other systems, including other human minds, is also being researched. However, this falls in the category of transhumanism rather than AI. Here are some more questions for you to consider.
According to what you have already heard, when will the singularity event take place? Do you agree or disagree that AI will one day become consciously aware? Why or why not? 3. What do you think is the biggest risk or danger associated with artificial intelligence? 4. What do you think is the greatest opportunity associated with artificial intelligence? 5. Why do you think that companies such as Google and Tesla are investing so heavily in AI and robotic technologies? Thank you for watching Artificial Intelligence and What It Means for the Future of Humanity.